Hi, my name is Mitya and I'm a founder of the startup Mass Master. Mass Master is a product that includes a simple hardware dongle you plug into the van or motorhome and a mobile app that guides you through a simple process to estimate the vehicle's total weight. By using advanced AI models, we can generate accurate information at a much lower cost compared to using multiple expensive sensors installed onto the vehicle. And this is one of the key things that set us apart from the competition. Our solution is more affordable, it's easy to install and use, and it's portable, so you can move it in between the vans. Only a highly experienced team could achieve such important milestones and develop such a crazy kind of innovation. And right innovation is part of our DNA. We love to create, push boundaries, and challenge the traditional way of doing things.